Hello viewers, how are you? Through this video, I want to convey very important message for all of you. You all know it very well that because of COVID-19 in our country now almost all schools, colleges and even coaching centers are also closed. You know that because of that who are very badly affected or small school going kids, especially primary, pre-primary and middle school kids. My message is concerned to these small kids. Now those who are attending online classes at home, teachers are doing with their best to educate our students. School management also supporting the teachers. Here I want to suggest or remind our honorable parents that are you doing something for your children or not? My dear parents, one thing you should keep in your mind that nothing is more important and precious in your life than your child. Please take some time for your child, especially when your child is attending online classes. This is my request and suggestion also. You or any member of your family must be with your child, because this is very common habit of small kids that they learn in the group only. In the school they are learning along with other students. So the child is expecting the same atmosphere in the home also. So if any member of your family is sitting with him or giving company to him or her, your child can enjoy online classes. Not only he will enjoy, but he can learn the things very easily. So this is first thing what I wanted to share. Second very important thing is there that your child is only a child. He is not a mature person. He can't understand and analyze the quality of the content. This responsibility you have to take up. Please you check the content, what is being sent to your child by the concerned teacher or the school management. You have to check it. Is it good or not, or it is quality content or not? If you feel that quality is not maintained, quality here I mean to say that the content is suitable for your child or not, or through this content your child can understand or learn the things what the teacher is expecting from your child or not. These things I mean to say about the quality. And if you feel that there is any deficiency, so you can request to the concerned teacher or the school management. And third very important thing is that you notice, you check that every day during online classes how many hours your child is spending in watching mobile or sitting before computer or laptop. You have to check here that the school management and the concerned teachers are following or they are teaching accordingly the guidelines given by the government or not. If you think that there is any kind of violation, then first you approach to the concerned teacher or the school management and request them to follow the guideline in online classes, because this is your right. Dear parents, only following these very small 3 things, you can make your child very comfortable and he will enjoy online classes. I hope that you will try to understand these 3 requests or these 3 suggestions I wanted to give you through this video. I hope that you will try to understand and you will follow the things what I am requesting you today. Thank you very much for being with me and listening my opinion. Have a nice day. Hello, good morning teachers, how are you? Today through this video I want to convey one message. You know that now online classes are going on, and of course you all are doing very hard work to take online classes. I have collected feedbacks from our students and teachers. As well, I collected feedback from teachers also. Dear teachers, in my opinion, we need to add at least one video with our each chapter or each lesson, because through the video you can communicate all the things related to this lesson in very effective way to our student. And another thing, our student can understand video better than your audio. So this is my suggestion that please add at least one video. You can make more than one, no problem, but at least one video is must for each lesson. Second thing I want to tell you that how to make quality video. Here quality means the quality of content. I am telling you the lesson or the chapter what you are going to teach. First you go through the lesson thoroughly, made one very concise script of the lesson. Afterward you can go for video shooting. For video shooting you can approach to school also. There some audio devices are available there, and some people are assigned the duty to support you for video shooting. So in your leisure you can go to school and shoot your videos in the school also. Second thing I want to tell you, you people are giving notes to our students. Regarding notes, I want to tell you, whenever you are giving or sending notes, so keep one thing in your mind, that your students are not in your class and you are not standing before the board. You must keep in your mind that your students are at their home only and you are sending these notes in their mobile through WhatsApp or some other sources. To open the mobile and to follow the notes and write the notes from the mobile is a challenging job for our student. Regarding this, many complaints I collected. Especially the parents are telling, students are telling that some teachers are sending very long notes and it is very difficult to write these notes for them. For that, in the very first meeting I suggested you that don't go for long notes. Some hints again I want to give you here. Teachers, in the end of the lesson, one list of the questions you can get there. First you go through thoroughly to these all the questions. Cancel all yes no type question. No need to give these answers. They will do with their own. Second thing, you can prefer their application questions and descriptive questions. Don't give the answer of application question. Give application question as home task. You have to give the answers or send the answers of only descriptive question. They may be in two parts, long answer and short answer questions. For middle school section, short answer questions should be 10 to 20 words length, and for high school it may be 10 to 40 word or 30 word. For long answer middle school section 40 to 60 word or 80 words, and for high school section 60 to 80 or 100 word. Don't go for long answer, but the notes should be very precise. One more thing I want to add here, avoid to give ready-made notes from any reference book, because they are traditional notes, and obviously they may be very long notes, so it may be very difficult to write these notes for students. And suppose you are using any reference book, so the student can also purchase the same reference book and they won't attend your class. So one more problem will come before you, that our children will be absent from your class. So until you give something special, they will not like to attend your class. I have received the complaint from the teachers that many children are getting, or in some classes there are no students. You try to know the reason. If you are not giving any quality, not giving anything special, then they won't attend your class and you can't do anything against them. Only one thing is there, that if you are approaching the student with some different things what they cannot do, then only they would like to attend your class. So please notice these things. Approach the class, approach the student with some quality. One more thing here, that somewhere wherever you are using text message, 2 to 3 lines I have seen, instead this text message you can use audio clips there. I have seen such type of audio clips in the classes of many teachers, but many teachers are not using these clips. Once again I am telling you, teachers, during online classes 3 tools you are using. Tool number 1 is video, number 2 audio clips, and number 3 notes. Out of these 3, video is very important and effective tools. So pay much attention over your video making. Audio clips you can use, but for note making you should be very clear that what notes you are giving to them, what is the size of the notes. These all things can make your class effective, and definitely your student will attend the class. If your approach is very ordinary, very simple, no extra work done, no homework done by you, and giving the very normal and simple things, our students are very clever. These things they can manage with their own, and they won't attend your class. So teachers, I want to request you that in your next session, I hope that you will approach with some different way, and you will be able to attract your students toward you. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.